Hi, namaste. This is Arnab and welcome to Move into Stillness Yoga. So today I wanted to show you a posture called the eagle pose. So it's a standing and a balancing posture, but it also opens up your shoulders, the space between the shoulders, gives you leg strength, and it helps you increase your balance and concentration. So keep watching. So I just moved the mat around so you could see the posture from two different angles. I hope you enjoyed that and hope you're able to practice that. It's, as I said, it's a great posture for achieving balance and concentration. Increases your leg strength, increases strength of your shoulders, and increases the space in your shoulders. So happy practicing. Thank you for watching. Namaste.